Hi, so in this tutorial, I want to show you when you are finished with your Cornell Notes, how you can mark up your notes as you're studying for a test or if you're sharing notes with a partner, especially if you find that you and your partner have the same idea that something is really important. We have these icons or these objects over here on the left-hand side by the directions clipboard that you can drag into your notes. So for example, if there's something that you already knew that kept being repeated over and over in the lesson and you wanted to take one of those sticky note arrows and point to what you had typed there in your notes, you could even type into that object by double clicking it. You could add a word like important. Okay, so that didn't work out very well, right? Because the text is too big, so you can change the size. In addition to that, you could use these highlighter marks, so you could find a color that you like. So here's a word, population, and I know that that's a vocabulary word. I've seen it before. So I'm going to need to remember what that word is all about. So I just changed the size of that highlighter mark. And now when I click away, it looks like I put some highlighter over that word. Now that I have it the size that I want, I could even Control C to copy, Control V to paste. And then I could put that same highlighter mark over here on this word, population, in the same color so that I know when I'm looking through my notes and I'm reviewing and I'm using my notes on a test, if I see a question about population, that word is going to stand out to me on the page. So if I were taking a test or if I were studying, I would probably be looking at my digital notebook in present mode so that I could see easily the details. And look how much better that looks already. With that blue highlighter mark on population, I'm going to not waste any time trying to find the information that I need to answer a question about population. Or that word important is pointing right to something I know. I remember my teacher said during the lesson that that was really going to be important. So these are just some tools that you can use to make your Cornell Notes work for you online. Thank you.